we had harvest on this day, and I need people to pick the grapes. Different than in other years, many grapes was, I don't know, ready for picking in one certain day. And I made maybe 40 phone calls for people, and only 4 promised me to come, and all promised me to look for other friends to come. Okay. I heard that some people from United States will come. Erez told me that maybe I'll have 2 or 3 people to help. Okay. We went to the vineyard in Shiloh, and we started to pick. And then I saw 2 vans coming. The door of the van opened. A guy with a bird coming down and say, "Shalom, Boker Tov." Said, "Good morning." Okay, we'll speak English. And he told me there, we came to pick grapes. Great! In very short while, this area was, we picked all we need. It was just a miracle for me, you know. I think that I have to spend there the whole day, and the next day go to pick in another side, and the third day coming back to pick again. But this is what I have. On the first place when we picked, we had 2 more rows to pick. So I spoke to Tommy. Maybe you can you help me? We said, look, we started early morning, and people worked all day. They are tired, but I'll ask them. So he asked them, and they picked the 2 rows, and then a van came with people picking, and another picking, and the whole situation it's like a celebration, because they pick grapes and singing, and I felt I don't know how to say, but going something. It's not only a physical thing; it's a spiritual experience for me.
Caleb, what's going on here?
We are having a wonderful time right now. This is the last day in Shiloh. It's been the past 3 weeks. We are having an extraordinary time. This is the guy who owns the vineyard here. Do you have something you want to say to the camera?
Yes, that I deeply believe that God sent you here to help us, me, my winery. Other way, I really don't know how could I finish picking those grapes in time. And I really appreciate your coming and your help and friendship and everything. I blessed that I met so nice people around, maybe 50 or more people.
Yeah.
So nice, each one of them. Okay, thank you, and shalom.
You're so very welcome. So we're trying to wrap this up, the last part of the picking here. So everybody's extremely excited. This is the last day we're going to be spending in Shiloh here, so it's a little sad, but it's extremely exciting to know that we've picked. I don't know how many tons of grapes we've picked over the past couple of days. I mean, it's unbelievable. 40. It's like 45 to 50 tons of grapes. It's unbelievable. It's past what I could imagine us doing here, and everybody's in really good spirits. So we are extremely excited. Don't tell anybody. We have ice cream.
How many grapes do you think you've eaten today? That 300?
Yeah.
300. That's what I think too.
You been having fun?
Yeah.
Looks like it.
Some of your group start to sing and to dance, and I just came to sing and to dance with them, and it was terrific. You know, I cannot. I don't know how to describe my feeling. I dance
And I want to say it again, and I will say it again and again, that I really appreciate your coming and helping us and being with us and the friendship and being working and with the happiness and singing. It just God blessed us to be here together. I want to thank each one of you for coming and being here in Israel and here today. And Tommy! I hope that we'll meet here again and again. And someday, if I'll go to United States, I'll come for a cup of coffee.